The HTML5 canvas provides a lot of drawing operations to learn about. So what I'm going to do first is show you a quick overview of the kinds of things that we're going to learn how to do in this course. So using HTML5 canvas, we'll learn about how to draw lines. And you can see this is the example here. This is the actual finished example that we're going to build. And you can see that we can draw lines of varying thickness with different end caps and different kinds of joins. We'll see how to draw arcs. And again, these are the finished examples that you're going to be able to build when you've watched that particular section. So here we've got arcs. Some of them are filled. We can draw text on the canvas using various effects. We've got some colors and sizes and stroking and filling going on. We'll see how to do things like draw shadows. So these are objects that have shadows with them. And you can see that the shadow color and blur effect can be changed depending on the type of object that you're drawing. We'll also see how to do things like draw gradients, both linear gradients, as in this example, and radial gradients. Then we'll move on to some more advanced stuff, like seeing how the canvas can draw using different compositing methods. These compositing methods affect how objects are drawn to the canvas. There's 12 of them, and you can see the examples here. And again, you'll be building this later on in the title. Then we'll see how to use things like transformations to move objects around on the canvas and affect how they're drawn. You can do things like rotate and scale and translate. This is the rotate one, and we'll see how to do this later. Then we'll move on to some more advanced operations. I'll show you how to build animations like this one, where we have a box moving across a blue canvas. And we'll build something a little more advanced than that even. We'll build a nice little slideshow rotator. And you can see that this is rotating through some pictures that are being drawn to a canvas. So these are the examples that we're going to be building, and you might want to fire up your code editor because we're going to just dive right in and start building stuff.